Today we're going to be replacing the battery in a Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. The tools that came with the replacement battery I purchased are the plastic spudger, a Y-type screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a metal spudger. First up, we're going to remove the wristband. Push the tab down and then pull the wristband away from the watch. Repeat this on both sides. Now remove the 4 Y-type screws from the backplate. Use the metal spudger to pry the backplate off the face of the watch. Disconnect the 3 ribbon cable connectors using the plastic spudger. Now remove the 2 small Phillips head screws holding in the motherboard. This is the ribbon cable that connects the motherboard to the face of the watch. Be careful not to damage this when removing the motherboard. This little tab connects the battery to the watch itself. We're going to go ahead and disconnect that. Use the plastic spudger to remove the battery from the motherboard. Now insert the new battery into the face of the watch. Align the hole on the battery's connector to the small plastic tab on the back of the watch. Reinstall the motherboard and reconnect the 3 connectors. Now reinstall the 2 small Phillips head screws. Reinstall the backplate with the 4 Y-type screws. Now go ahead and reconnect the wristbands. They should click into place. Now power on your watch. Thank you for watching.